Hey friends, good morning. And you just landed here to learn about Codeigniter Project. So here I present you the Codeigniter Project. So without wasting any more time, I want to directly come to the point. So what we are going to learn? We are going to learn to make a website. So this website is a blogging system. So basically you must have seen most of the tutors or anybody and first they teach blogging system. The reason why they teach blogging system because a blogging systems covers all the basic functionalities of any programming software. So let's come to this project. What I'm going to teach you is I'm going to teach you um, to create an admin and user. And user he do not have any credentials, so he can directly see the home page like you see any other website. But an admin will have all the rights. So a user can do can see two things. One is articles, and he can also search for articles. But an admin can create articles, view articles, edit articles, delete articles, and also log in, log out, adding images, search, pagination. So all this stuff is done by admin. So admin got a great task to do, and user thing is quite simple. So that's our project. So let's do the project step by step without skipping any step. So coming to the first step, what we're going to do. So first, let's download the Codeigniter. Um, for that, you're gonna have to go here, Codeigniter, download. So when you go here, just click on the first link. Okay, so here you'll find two versions. One is 3.0 and 2.x. Okay, it's taking some time, so let's be patient. Okay, we got it. Okay, so now you can see there are two versions. One is 2.x and one is 3.0. But if you read here, it says development of this version is going on, and 2.x is a completely stable product. So we can download this product, and once this thing is done, we can shift our whole project into 3.0. That's not a problem. All right, so at this point of time, let's download this. So after downloading this, we will get one zip file. So let's wait for a second. Okay, so it's about 2.2 MB file. It's a very small MB. And so before getting into the project, let me give a small introduction by the time it gets downloaded. So why we should prefer Codeigniter? So I don't say Codeigniter is the best framework in the market, but Codeigniter has been, it's been in use since a long time. So that's the reason Codeigniter is a very good to start into frameworks. And once you're done with Codeigniter, you can, eventually you can move on the latest versions and people which is in demand. The frameworks are, you can learn Laravel and also Symfony. These two are in top in demand. Even Codeigniter is in top in demand. Okay, so let's get to the work. Let me open this. Okay, I need to copy this folder. Okay, it's getting copied, and go here. So I hope you know about this. You have to go to C xampp, and from xampp you have to go to htdocs, and you have to paste it here. Okay, all right, now just rename this. And what is our project name? I think articles already exist, blog already exists, so let's name it as project, as we're doing a project. Okay, all right. So, and before that, make sure guys your exam Apache and MySQL is on, right? Only then you can work on this. So now if we go here, oh, so many tabs, man. Let me close some of them. Okay. Oh, So if I go here, you just have to type local host, and if you just type project, again, it's coming. So sorry. Okay, local host. You have to write this project. Okay. Oh my goodness, what's wrong? What's wrong, man? Okay, now you're going to get it. Yeah, all right. So we just landed in the home page of Codeigniter. So we're all set to go. From here, we can start working on the project. So before that, before starting the project, to make a website, we should know CSS, to make the view of the whole website. And I don't want to make it quite simple looking website. I want it to look good, and to make it look good, we need CSS. And to do CSS, I know CSS, but it takes lots of time to make the properties. But so the easy way to do to get the things done is we can use Bootstrap. As already we are using framework for PHP, let's use framework for CSS. So out of all the frameworks, Bootstrap is the most popular one, right? So this is the website of Bootstrap. So there is also Bootstrap. So we can first let's download. So you can see we have different themes. So if the only difference between themes is, you can see here the default button is different, here the default button is different, here the default button is different, here the buttons are different, they have different views. So let's select the best one, so most common one. Let's go for something, or let's go for simplex. Okay, simplex is the one. So for this, what we have to do is, here we have two options. One to download a bootstrap.css, one is to download bootstrap.min.css. So if you think you're really good at CSS, and if you're not satisfied with the views or with the things they had provided, you want to make some changes, then you can go for bootstrap.css, where you can edit. So in bootstrap.css, all the queries are presented properly so that you can edit. And in bootstrap.min.css, it is compressed, so that if you do this, if you download this one, the loading time will be quite less. So let's do this. So you just have to click here, and it will open a new page. You have to open this, copy, and where is that folder? Project. Let's create one new folder here, assets. Okay, in assets, you can paste this. You can create a new file. New okay, let's go for Notepad++. Okay, I just pasted it. Now you just have to save as bootstrap.min.css. okay, and where you have to save, you have to save in assets. So let's go again to see, and let's go to example htdocs. Okay, and from htdocs, let's go to project, and in project assets, there we go. All right, So I just saved it. It's a bootstrap.min.css, so it's a cascading style sheet. You can see here this has to be appeared. Alright, so we are done with the first step. So I would like to recap the whole thing again. What we have done is, first we went to Codeigniter website, we downloaded Codeigniter 2.0, which is a stable version, and then we went to bootstrap.com, and in bootstrap.com we had downloaded this simplex theme, and to use this kind of buttons, or okay, let me show you simplex once. So apart from buttons, if you want to use forms, okay, see, the form would be like this. We can just copy this code and we can paste it in our page, and that's it. We'll have the ready-made form ready. Instead of typing the whole stuff in the CSS and HTML, making the whole thing is also going to waste the time. That's not our target. Our target is Codeigniter. We are here to learn the back end, not the front end. Okay, alrighty, so this is bootstrap. So then we downloaded this, we copied the code, we opened the folder, in the folder, and we opened the folder in a project assets. In assets we pasted this. That's it. So that's it for today, guys. Just subscribe to my channel, and just wait for the next tutorials. I'll be back. Bye.